Happy birthday,
Julian, very strong.
Wow.
Happy birthday. Oh, the candle is with. Get the candle. Put it back. The candle. The candle transfer to the head of Julissa.
Tomorrow, if you have a time after you dance, I want you to wear the white.
Yes, correct. I want to see it also.
So this is the birthday of Julian, and this is our dinner. This is my Julissa's food, Julian's food, Madame's food, and then my food. What's this? That's our food for today.
Just that
Wow.
one?
Wow, careful. Careful.
Tomorrow, it will be in the internet.
Wow. Facebook, sir.
Facebook.
My name, sir.
Ah, my finger!
Look for
My finger!
Maria Raymond.
My finger!
Maria. I told you his name is Maria Raymond.
Hey. Madam,
What?
You know, do not friend with Julian.
Why?
Let's do friend her.
What?
Let's do friend her.
Really? Sure?
seems like trouble.
I'll not give her a gift.
You did not give? Why?
I hate Julian. Yeah.
Tissue. Here, tissue.
If ever there's no light in your house.
You know what? I put there many tapes so that you cannot open it. Sabad. Okay, enjoy your meal. That's our meal for today. Happy birthday, Julian, again. What's this?
It's a video,
Japanese.
right?
Japanese food, right?
Yes, it's a Japanese food.
Very big. Oh, already finished. Actually, lang Emma already cooked food for you, so we'll go now.
It's really a sock.
What's that?
Sack of what? You have to wear a sack, you know.
Careful, there's a rat inside.
You
Careful.
know what? The meaning of a gift is you don't use that things usually. That's why Sir Arnold gave you a sock. You don't use socks.
Yeah, because you use that every time Santa Claus come.
So only December.
Put the socks there. Oh, see, I put cat there inside. There's a cat. Love cat.
It's Julian's
Wow.
birthday.
That's our dinner.
Getting old.
Wow, very nice.
Wow, I thought it's.
It's a mug?
What?
It's a mug.
What did Julian
Yeah,
do there?
what?
My birthday, what gave me?
I What? Cup, right?
Very cute. Animal for the day is pig and cat.
There it is. Hey, don't forget to make a name.
Very
Great
cute.
name for the cat.
You
Yeah.
put it near
What's
your
the
face.
name?
No,
Right.
near to your face. Let's see.
Your twin sister?
Yeah. I bet.
Similar.
Redesign
Similar. Very cute. Very pretty. Okay, let's eat. Wow, this is our food for today. Wow.
Sandra?
This is the soup, and this is our Japanese food from Inaka. Maybe this is Kawasaki.